Hello everyone, welcome back to MADRAS VL channel. This channel is all about listening and learning the language and getting motivated. In this video, we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. In the previous videos, we learned simple present tense, present continuous tense and present perfect tense being supported by the follow-up short story videos where subjects and verbs were color highlighted. Now let's learn present perfect continuous tense. What is present perfect continuous tense? It is the tense which describes an event which started in the past and is continuing in the present time. This tense also talks about a finished activity in the recent past. Formula for the present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has or have plus been plus V1 plus, that is present tense verb plus ing form plus object. In this, subject is a doer. Following this, there will be present perfect and present perfect continuous tenses auxiliary verb has or have. As we have already learned, out of these two, has to be used for the third person singular subjects like he, she and it. Have has to be used for all the other subjects like I, we, you and they. It will be followed by V1 and ing form. Finally, it will be ended with an object which is generally a done thing. Not all the verbs are compatible with the continuous tense. Only the action verbs shall be used in this and not the stative verbs. I will explain about the stative verbs in another video. Now let's see where to use this tense. Any action which started somewhere in the past and continues at the present time shall be described using present perfect continuous tense. Some examples for this is I have been reading his book, which means I am still reading this book I haven't yet completed, which started in the past. And the next example is I have been stitching her dress. It means that I have started stitching the dress long before and that is continuing even now. Secondly, this tense can also be used to describe repeated action which started at a point of time in the past and continuing till today. Some examples for this are I have been coming to this hill station every year since 2018, which means it is repeatedly happening from the past till today. It is continuing. Okay. And next example for this is I have been sending greeting cards to my friends every new year. Thirdly, this tense is also used to describe an action completed now and the result can be seen. Some examples for this are I have been cleaning the house, which means the house is clean now. The next one is she has been practicing shuttle. That means she is ready to play. Having understood about the present perfect continuous tense, its formula to frame sentences and where to use it, we are moving on to an interesting section, that is learning 21 verbs and the sentences describing present perfect continuous tense. Once again, all the verbs that you are going to learn here will be there in the follow-up short story. So, as usual, enjoy understanding the meaning of these words here itself to understand the usage of them in the follow-up short story. Here we will see at first verb, its three forms, meaning of it, and then a sentence in present perfect continuous tense using this verb. Let's learn the verbs. First verb is calm, and the three forms of it are calm, calmed, calmed. The noun forms of it are calmer, calm, calmness. The meanings of it are tranquil, quiet, serene. An example for this is they have been calming down the child. Second word is render. The three forms of it are render, rendered, rendered. The noun form of it is rendering. The meanings of this word are deliver, surrender, yield. An example for this is she has been rendering devotional songs for a year. The third word is reach. The three forms of it are reach, reached, reached. The noun form of it is reach. Meanings of this word are hold out, extend, outstretch. An example for this is he has been reaching out his friend for the past 1 hour. The fourth word is want. The three forms of it are want, wanted, wanted. The noun forms of it are want, wanting. The meaning of it is need. An example for this is I have wanted to work along with him. Please note that I am only giving you the present perfect tense sentence, not the present perfect continuous tense for this word, because this word is not compatible with a present perfect continuous tense. And the next word is manage. The three forms of it are manage, managed, managed. The noun forms of it are manager, management. The meanings of this word are be in charge of, direct, govern, surprise. An example for this is she has been managing the office ever since it is started. The next word is struggle. The three forms of it are struggle, struggled, struggled. The noun form of it is struggle. The meanings of this word are fight, grapple, scuffle. An example for this is they have been struggling to make both ends to meet. The next word is boggle. The three forms of it are boggle, boggled, boggled. The noun form of it is boggle. The meaning of it is troubling. An example for this is my son's behaviour has been boggling my mind ever since he joined in the college. And the eighth word is surprise. And the three forms of it are surprise, surprised, surprised. The noun form of it is surprise. And the meanings of this word are shock, amazement, astonish, amaze. An example for this is Milan has been surprising me by winning the competitions from the childhood. And the next word is rush. The three forms of this word are rush, rushed, rushed. The noun form of it is rush. The meaning of it is hurry. An example for this is we have been rushing our father to visit the doctor since Monday. The next word is greet. The three forms of it are greet, greeted, greeted. The noun form of it is greetings. The meanings of this word are compliment, greet, bless. An example for this is, my friends have been greeting me for my success in making the deal. The 11th word is seek. The three forms of it are seek, sought, sought. The noun forms of it are seeking, seeker. Meaning of it is look for. An example for this is, we have been seeking help from the management. The next word is fetch. The three forms of it are fetch, fetched, fetched. The noun form of it is fetching. The meaning of it is summon. An example for this is, they have been fetching your coat for you. The next word is notice. The three forms of it are notice, noticed, noticed. The noun form of it is notice. The meaning of it is attention. An example for this is, teachers have been noticing the change in the behavior of the students. And the next word is settle. The three forms of it are settle, settled, settled. The noun forms of it are settler, settlement. The meanings of this word are adjudge, conclude, convict, resolve, decide. An example for this is, they have been settling a family dispute almost for a year. 15th word is fill. The three forms of it are fill, filled, filled. The noun forms of it are fill, filler, filling. The meaning of it is stuffing. An example for this is, he has been filling the water tank from the morning. The next word is empty. The three forms of it are empty, emptied, emptied. The noun forms of it are emptying, emptiness. The meanings of this word are clear, vacant. An example for this is, he has been emptying the house from Saturday. The next word is look. The three forms of it are look, looked, looked. The noun form of it is look. The meaning of it is glance. An example for this is, she has been looking at fruits without eating them. Next word is let. The three forms of it are let, let, let. The noun form of it is letting. The meanings of this word are permit, allow. An example for this is, as he is a poor boy, she has been letting him to study here without paying the fees. The next word is strive. The three forms of it are strive, strived, strive. The noun forms of it are strive, striving. The meanings of it are struggle, endeavor. An example for this is, she has been striving hard to get medicine admission in USA. The next word is serve. The three forms of it are serve, served, served. The noun forms of it are service, serving. The meaning of it is assistance. An example for this is, we have been serving in this office for 7 years. The next word is receive. The three forms of it are receive, received, received. The noun forms of it are receiver, reception, receivable, and receiving. The meaning of it is accept. An example for this is, she has been receiving this award since 2020. So that's the end of we learning 21 words. Now let's have self-check on our learning. Mention whether each statement is correct or incorrect. First one is, She have been playing cricket since morning. Second question is, they have been understanding the lesson. The third question is, he has been surfing the internet. Fourth statement is, we have spending too much money. The final statement is, you have been telling a lie. Please mention answer for these questions in the comment box. I'll be eager to see them. With this, we have come to an end of this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end of it. Please do share, like and subscribe. Until we meet in the next video, take care.